Good morning, friends. Today, in our BSc first year class, we are going to learn about first lesson, that is child. This lesson is written by Premchand. Premchand is very famous Hindi writer and novelist. He has also written so many short stories. His original name means this is a pen name. Premchand is pen name of Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. He is one of the such a person who is born near Banaras in small village. He also suffered due to the lot of poverty, extreme poverty, and in such a poor condition also he rebelled against social taboos, which is that in those era, because he born in 1880 and died in 1936. So he, although he was very poor, but he opposed such type of social taboos, those taboos which is those tradition which is made by the society, because he married such a woman who was widow. It means child widow. He married Shivurani Devi in his own life. He has written so many short stories, near about more than 300 to his credit, in Hindi language as well as in Urdu language. Those famous work he has written like Vardhan, Gaban, Rangabhumi, Godan and Nirmala. These are very famous works which is written by Premchand. He depicted such type of picture of the society, that is a real picture of the society, and he also aware the people through his literature, aware about the social issues. Within his life also he faced such type of those are the orthodox tradition, and he opposed such type of tradition. He married one widow woman, so definitely in his literature also we can find such type of that social awareness issue, and he raised such type of issue. In these all these works also he raised such type of issues. So this present the child, this lesson, it is also taken from one of his great work, that is Godan. So in child, one particular that protagonist is Gangu. Gangu is a typical Brahmin person. Typical Brahmin person. He was illiterate, but he followed all the rules, tradition, and as well as he considered himself the superior in his society. He considered himself superior, and all other person they have to obey in front of him, bow in front of him. He expects a lot of respect from the society because he is a Brahmin. In such a condition also, he married one widow woman, that is Gomti. Gomti Devi. He married Gomti Devi. So the child, this lesson, that is the lesson of Gangu, how he make a step of courage and married one widow woman, and also oppose such a social taboos, and how he accept the humanity, accept the child of Gomti as well as Gomti Devi by opposing such type of social taboos. So this is one of the realistic story, one of the factual story, and this is very good depiction which is depicted by Premchand in this lesson. Now today we are going to learn about how the Gangu is, the Gangu character. So we are going to learn about the Gangu character, and although he was illiterate, but he considered himself that he is superior because by born he is a Brahmin. So everybody should have respect him. In this lesson, the narrator, who is a employer, it means owner of the one company, and Gangu is one common servant. He was working under him. Narrator is describing how Gangu is. That Gangu, he never bow in front of his owner, his employer. Although other people, they bow in front of that employer, but he never bow in front of employer. Instead of such type of things that narrator consider, so definitely he expects the respect from that employer. Means that Gangu, he is a illiterate person, although he expects such type of respect from the society because of only by birth he was a Brahmin. According to him, so many people, they are wealthy, they expect the respect from the society because they earn lot of wealth by their forefathers. So in this way, that here Gangu is also expect the respect from the society due to that by birth he is from Brahmin family. And Gangu never go for the cinema, go for the any show also. He never take a bhang, that is one type of drink, one type of addiction. As a typical, those are the common people they used to take at the time of festival, but he never takes such type of bhang also. And that narrator, he observed him that he doesn't have any friends. He never friendly with anyone. He is a very short-tempered person, and in company office also, whenever that narrator, he consider this is a very hot temperature, and that Gangu, he has to switch on the fan for him, but he never dare to ask him. So that Gangu was typical one of the short-tempered person. He never go in the river Ganga for bath, as well as he never go to the temple also to worship the god. But also in such a way also he expect the respect from the society. So that Gangu was a typical person. And here narrator, that owner, that employer, he never accept any backbiting from any employee from of the another one. As well as whenever anybody come towards him to meet him, so he never expect such type of that disturbance in his personal matter. So narrator also is bored such a person who comes towards him within 15 days after the payment or the money, as well as to come towards him for the backbiting or the praise someone. So he consider, this narrator consider all these things are very ignoble, very shameful things. So narrator never expect such type of things from his employees. So here Gangu is such a person who is working under that owner and in such a way also, but he consider that he is a superior, and within the group also he never bear such type of things, or he never stay very close to another one because he consider himself very superior than the other. But instead also he means how he married with Gomti Devi, although all people warn him that she is one widow woman, she already married 1, 2, 3 times to another people. So you should not marry with Gomti Devi. But also he married with Gomti Devi. So this is one of the interesting story of Gangu, and in our next lecture we are going to learn about Gomti Devi also.